red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. So kids, now I draw alphabets, and first I draw A and use red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A. B, B for ball, B for bat. C, C for cat, C for car. D, D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F, F for fish, F for fan. G, G for god, G for glass. Kids, now H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use blue color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J, J for joker, J for jackfruit. K, K for kite, K for king. L, L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use blue color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N, N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use yellow color. Yellow color. P, P for parrot, P for penguin. Q, Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S, S for sun, S for snack. T, T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now U. U for umbrella, U for ankle, and use black color. Black color. V, V for van, V for vanilla. W, W for wallet, W for watch. X, X for x-ray, X for telephone. Y, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And Z, Z for blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. First we draw 1 and use blue color. This is 1. O and 1. This is 2. T, W or 2. This is 3. T, H, R, W, 3. This is 4. F, O, U, R, 4. This is 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids, now I draw 6 and use yellow color. This is 6. S, I, X, 6. This is 7. S, E, V, E, and 7. This is 8. 8. This is 9. Nine. 9. This is 10. Ten. It's neither 11 and use red color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.